And now the Prime Jet, little teeny thing. I haven't had success with this yet. It's extremely small, extremely light. Little teeny 3.7 gram servos on it. Cool little 2300 motor though. Actually, the wind that's out here tonight might even just be too much for it too. So I'm gonna get down here out of the concrete so I can throw it towards the grass at least. I don't know. It just seems so. Holy crap. Yes. So if it wasn't so windy, I wouldn't have to, I'm at full throttle right now. This is a cool little plane. 3S, what is it, 550? Okay, that's pretty cool. This is like barely one sheet of foam board. So this is a $1 airplane. $1 for the It's just so windy for this little thing. Okay, so that makes me pretty happy, because when you try new things and they work, you just kind of go, yeah. Oh. Sure, I'm gonna destroy the canards when I come in. It's a flat plate wing too. I better bring it in. I'm not sure how long this battery's gonna last. I wonder if it glides. Uh-oh. Completely lost where it was doing. Shoot. So, after climbing onto the barbed wire fence, we'll see that just missing that tip right there. No big deal. Yeah, you know what? A little glue and should be good. Yeah, that's That's a pretty easy fix. I'll just do that in pieces. And this came off, but this is just glue it back in. Beauty for a buck. Yeah, baby.